So I have deposit into my Bitage Arbitrage wallet. I deposit uh $20. So right now the next thing to do is to click on trade, click on visit here. Now I want to try it for 24 hours, that is a day. So that is what I want to try it for. So I'm going to get 2.5%. How much is 2.5% of $20? 2.5% of $20 should be around 0.2. 2.5%, 0.5. So I'm going to earn $0.5. If I go for this one, I'm going to be earning 3% daily. 3% of $20 is how much? 0.6 daily. The minimum withdrawal on this platform is $10. So let's say I go for 60 days. So I go for the 60 days. Yeah. I'm going to, that is 30 days. Let me go for this one. 20. Now click on start trade. So right now my trade has started. Bitage Arbitrage trade started. So let me click on trade. As you can see, this is my trade. So my trade has started. Now this is how to start your trade on Bitage. That is how to start your trade. Click on my trade, you will see it here. So that is it. Thank you.